Welcome back, my amazing learners. We're on to our third lesson for digital citizenship. Now, this time we are going to think about exploring safely online. Now, when you're in your community, whether it's a town, small town, district, village, wherever you live, the lane that you live in, the street, or the community, or the housing scheme that you live in, think about where you live right now. When you're going from place to place, like from home to your friend's house or to a relative's house, or you're traveling to the shop or to the school or to church, wherever you're going, there are certain things that you have to do to keep safe. You know which side of the road to walk on. You know you should hold mommy's hand when you're walking on the road and you walk on the inside and not out in the middle of the road. All of those things you should think about right now. Now, just like when you're walking up and down in the community from place to place, and you have to do certain things to keep safe, it's similar to what you have to do when you're online. Our topic for today is safety in my online community. So all the different places that you go online, like YouTube, a website, Kahoot, Google Classroom, all of those and many more form a part of your online neighborhood because you are going from place to place. Now, I want you to be safe, and I'm sure that mommy and daddy wants the same thing for you too, but you have to play your part. So let us pay attention to this lesson and learn all that we can because you are amazing and you have a tremendous capacity to learn. So let's go into the lesson. Think about this question. How do you go places safely online? How? How do I go places safely online? What do you need to do to stay safe when you're visiting new places? When you visit new places? Now, just like when you're at home, say for example, mommy is taking you to your auntie's house. You know that you have to travel with her. You have to put on the seatbelt in the car, or when you're taking a bus or a taxi, you know how to behave. All of those things. You see strange people around you in the bus or the taxi. There are strange people driving alongside you in mommy's car or daddy's car. Do you tell them your name and where you live? Do you shout out your birthday to them? No, you don't. You keep certain information to yourself. You wear your seatbelt, you walk on the right side of the road, you hold mommy's hand or you hold daddy's hand. It's similar to what you have to do when you're online. There are certain pieces of information that you don't give to people online because you want to stay safe. There are certain things that you don't do and certain things that you do to stay safe when you visit new places online. Whether the new place is an app, a website, a game, whatever it is, there is something for you to do or there is something that you should not do to stay safe. Now, what does the word online mean? It means using a computer, phone, or tablet to visit a website or app. Now we're going to watch this video together.
Hi, I am 7 years old. I love playing on my mom's computer, but I always get permission first. Mom, can I go on the computer?
Sure, sweetie.
I love my mom's computer because I can go on the internet. The internet is kind of like your neighborhood. You can visit cool places. You can talk to family and friends. And you can learn lots of new things. Like yesterday, I visited a zoo that's near my house. I saw a baby zebra. I took her picture and changed the color of her stripes. Then added a hat and added it to my collection of wacky animals. Awesome! And later, I went to a place far, far away. I visited Kenya. That's a country in Africa. A lot of zebras live there. Wow, that's a lot of zebras. Sometimes on the internet, I talk to people I know. Like my grandma, who lives in another state. Hi, Grandma. She's making me cookies that she'll send me for my birthday. Yummy, I wish the internet had smell-o-rama. I can talk to different people on the internet, like my cousin. But I only talk to people I know. But what I like most on the internet is that I get to play fun games. Score! I also like to draw and create new things and share it with my friends. Cool! Sometimes I visit websites where I learn new things, but I always stick to websites that are just right for me. Wow, dinosaurs! The internet is a super fun place. But just like when you cross the street in your neighborhood, you also have to be careful when you go online. Here are 3 rules to remember. Rule number 1, always ask your parents first. Rule number 2, only talk to people you know. Rule number 3, stick to places that are just right for you. Wow, that was fun.
Dinner time.
I'm logging off now. I can't wait to get back on again to see where I can visit next. Bye-bye.
Okay, so think about the 3 rules. Always ask for permission, ask your parent, or ask your teacher first. Do you remember the second rule? Or even the third rule? You can type it in the comment section below, or you can put it right in our Google Classroom. All right? Let's read them over again. Rule 1, always ask your parent or teacher first. Rule 2, only talk to people you know. Rule 3, stick to places that are just right for you. If you can remember that, it will be so much easier for you to stay safe on the internet. We need to be safe whenever we're online, so we follow these rules to have a good time. So you can always learn. This is a poem by Jenny Pritchett, and you can say it to yourself, say it to your friends and your classmates so that everyone can stay safe online. Now, what is a website? A website is a place you can visit on the internet, like the Happy Faces Academy website. Remember, the link to the Happy Faces Academy website is in the description box below. Pause and think moment. You can draw a picture of yourself following one of the 3 rules we learned today, and write a word or sentence to explain your picture. Now I'm going to link that right there in the description box below. Thank you for watching and learning, and I hope you had a good time. See you next time. Bye.